I just want to shoot a quick video about radon gas. It is a radioactive gas that is odorless, colorless, and tasteless, and it is naturally occurring in our area in northern Nevada. Out in the open air, it is typically not a problem because the air kind of moves around and disperses it. It is a problem when you are in an area that has radon in it and you trap underneath your house. So if you haven't got a test, good news, there's actually a map from the UNR Cooperative study that you can look at, and it will give you an idea of the areas that are more prevalent to have radon in our area. I can tell you that typically when you get in the mountains, it's more prevalent. So up Mount Rose Highway, Lakeview, and other areas in Reno. And based on that map, you can tell if you should probably look into getting a radon test done if you haven't. The good news is that the Cooperative Extension has a Radon Test Kit that you can typically pick up for free, or they'll ship it to you. Follow the directions in the kit and mail it in, and they'll give you results. Now, if your results are more than 4 picocuries per liter, the EPA generally says that there is a elevated risk for cancer and you should have it mitigated. And we also have all the numbers of all the people who mitigate radon. So if you have any questions or want more information, feel free to leave some comments below or give us a call in the office, 775-525-0309. Otherwise, you guys have a great weekend, and we'll look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks.